guys, welcome back. Welcome to my channel. Thanks for tuning in. So yes, I know it's been a bit, and I did promise you that this year I was going to show you what my marigolds look like. For those who are just tuning in, these marigolds that came up this year I did not plant. They came up on their own. So what happened is I planted marigolds last year, and from what I planted, some of the heads from last year when I weeded the area, this year they fell off, and just from those heads they were able to reseed themselves. So marigolds are technically annuals, but because they can reseed themselves, they can also be considered by some people as perennials. But this is why you should plant marigolds, because I planted them last year. I did not plant any this year. I didn't think I was going to get marigolds this year, but they reseeded themselves, and because of that I have a whole line of marigolds. They're all natural selection, so the whole color palette that's there came up by nature. They were not my choice, but I love them. So let me show you what they look like, and this is why you should plant marigolds. I absolutely love them. Okay guys, so look at them. Aren't they a beauty? Look how rich these colors are. So these used to be tiger lilies. Well, they are tiger lilies, but now look at these marigolds. I have two different colors. Look at this pop of yellow. It's kind of a yellow orangey, and then more tiger lilies. And then there's a mix. This one has a mix between red and orange. Look at them. Red, orange, yellow. This little freebie plant. And then these ones. These ones are a little smaller because they are under this big tree. Look at this end one. This one plant has multiple different flowers on it. Do you see them? Wow. So that's it guys, thanks for watching, thanks for joining me on my marigold journey. Please remember to like and subscribe, and stay tuned to my channel where I will post more videos about awesome marigolds and fun stuff. Thank you once more. Bye bye, see you.